Good morning,
y'all. Tell them our plans today.
So today we are going to eat right now, and then we're going on a helicopter ride, which is, I'm scared. It's gonna be fun, but I'm scared.
We walking to go eat.
Yes, we are.
I don't want to walk, but I guess we have to.
It's not that far.
It's a 12-minute walk. Look, guys.
You walk longer than that.
I just don't like the roof, but it's a pretty nice view. It's kind of far, low-key. But I guess we'll make it work.
It's not that far.
Alright, guys. We're gonna... I guess we're gonna work off that pizza from 2 nights ago.
Yeah. But we're gonna go grub right now, though.
Well, true. Alright, guys. We'll see you soon.
See y'all soon. What's up, y'all? We are walking right now in this heat. It is hot right now. We're about to go to Johnny Rockets to eat. 12-minute walk, but it felt like an hour walk, doesn't it? Yes, it does. She over there sweating and stuff. Yes, you are. I'm sweating. Your face?
My face is not sweating.
It's hot, and it's not even like, it's probably 80 something too. This walk felt forever. Oh my god. But yeah, we about to eat. What you gonna get at Johnny Rockets? Chicken strips. That's all. She gets that everywhere. I should have known. You know, I'm gonna get a burger with some fries.
You get that everything.
So, alright, y'all. Well, we're about to be here. We're about to eat. So I'll talk to y'all later. Peace out.
Hey, y'all. So, we're at the Pike again.
The Pike. What's up, y'all?
We have nothing to do. We're just waiting for our helicopter ride. We actually should call the Uber now.
Yes.
Because it's 12:50 and we have to be there at 1:45. Oh. And truth is, I'm nervous. But like, I'm ready at the same time. Like, I feel like it's gonna be fun. I'm scared. It's gonna be in the air like that. What is this stuff? We're gonna vlog it too, so.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, we just called our Uber. Hopefully it don't take long. But we literally been sitting here for like 20 minutes doing nothing.
He's right here. He's 1 minute away.
Oh, bye guys.
No, he's like on the other side.
Guys, look where we are.
Gonna hang out in Long Beach today then?
We've been here all weekend. I'm not recording, I'm recording at your phone.
That's okay.
Okay.
I don't mind. When you hop in, please don't step on this cowling. It's not weight supporting, so it'll crack and break.
Okay.
Just grab onto this bar, slide one leg in, and just shift your body weight into the helicopter. No smoking, vaping, e-cigarettes, anything like that.
don't put your phone on airplane mode. We're a helicopter, so we're way cooler than that.
Okay.
Those rules don't apply. Make sure if you want to Facebook Live or take video or stream something, I don't know, you can do that.
Okay.
So feel free to.
Cool.
And then who wants to get in here?
You wanna go? Okay, I'll go first.
You want to go here?
Yeah.
Good side. And here you go. You can
Thank
just put that
you.
in. Absolutely. And then your headset's right above your head.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and shut this once you're comfy. Good? Just unlatch that belt first.
Oh, okay.
So that way you don't Awesome. And then you can leave the headsets off for now. Once I start the engine, you can go ahead and put them on because it'll get kind of loud.
Okay.
And I'm gonna leave my door open while I'm starting, just so we get some fresh air.
Right.
Okay.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
Bruh.